Arthur, no. Alright people, this is Arthur, also known as Monkey Boy, or Ufa, or Baba. We're walking across the field, there's spiky plants, so I'm carrying him. I just need to do some trimming, and I'll explain what's happening. Yeah, Arthur's a good little boy, he waits. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Because you know you like to go on a like poo adventure. You know when you want to go poo and you go on an adventure on your own. We can't do that anymore. You can't do that anymore. We need to stop that from happening, don't we? Would you like to build a fence? Do you help Daddy build a fence? No? Don't like that idea. Adventure poo-poo? We are in the field. This is where Arthur's venture starts. He comes down the cartilage, he goes round the containers up the field. He then skirts round the edge of the field all the way, because of the spiky plants in the middle, all the way down to the ends, across the hedge, through the fence, follows that hedge up there, goes round the corner and relieves himself somewhere. I've seen him do it, and then he comes running back over the field. He is also adventured that way as well, down the road. Now Monkey does have a tracker on his collar that he always wears when he's outside. That's one of them Apple AirTags. But it's not necessarily that accurate, but it has helped. Now he always comes back, but it's not very clever him escaping down the road just in case a car comes or something. So this is the fence. It's barbed wire at the moment. We've got wooden posts. I've just trimmed it all the way down, and I've got some mesh that I'm going to put across, and Arthur's going to help me. And sometimes he wants to go and say hello to them horses over there as well. But the horses don't like you, do they, Arthur? So he does like a little adventure. He likes walking off the lead. We went for a walk earlier. He's a little bundle of joy, isn't he? But we need to keep him safe. So first things first, we need to grab 2 pieces of wood and some bolts. Can you see him waiting over there? I didn't pick him up this time. He's like, Daddy, Daddy, you forgot me? You forgot me? Alright, Baba. Alright, Papa. Alright, Papa. Good boy. Here's my fencing, wire mesh. So I'm basically going to pin it to them fence posts over there using these like U-nails. It's 50 meters each. So we need to pin it down the end. Then I'm going to bolt it, tension it this way and nail it in. Would you like to go get a drill and a hammer? Arthur, no. Arthur. Oi. Come here. This way. Come back. Come here. Good boy. You can't go and see your horsey friends. They don't like you. They're not friends. Do you want some friends? Should we get you some goats or some pigs? What do you want to be friends with? Chickens? You eat the chickens. You're a silly boy, and yeah. I don't actually like horses at all. Oh, fuck. Arthur, no. Wait. Hey. Wait. No. Arthur, we go this way. We go this way. Come, this way. Oh. Calm down. Leave the horses. What have you hurt your foot again? Come on, up here. I'll carry you. So we've made a boo-boo, haven't we, Arthur? I was doing this and I thought I'd check with the fence owner whether it was okay that I tagged some mesh fencing on his posts, and instead of just saying yes, he said, can we have a look at it together? And I'm sure it'll be all right, but can I meet you on Sunday? And I was like, oh no, I've already started it. Nothing wrong with that, is there, Arthur? It's fine. We just came over to take a thumbnail. Obviously I can't finish that yet. I ended up saying to it, I said, oh sorry, I've already started. Better to ask forgiveness rather than permission, eh? I said, can you check it? And if there's any issues, let me know. I don't see what's wrong with that. It's normal livestock fencing. It's fine. I suppose he doesn't know whether I'm like an incompetent fool. But I've got this. Hey, no, Arthur, we've got this. Thanks for watching. See you later. Don't look at me, Daddy. Don't look at me. I'm shy. I'm shy, Daddy. Don't look at me.